Hello guys, welcome here. So today I'm starting up a new series, and it's going to be talking. I'm going to be talking about product management. And don't forget, my name is Muyiwa Kolawole, and this is the first episode in this particular series. So this series is actually to educate people about product management, especially people who are looking at venturing into tech, and probably you are not from a proper tech background, like probably you didn't study computer science in school, or you didn't study computer engineering and all, but you love tech and you believe you have all it takes to actually get in. So I'm going to be talking about how I transitioned into product management from being a growth marketer, and also how and also what tech is all about, what product management is all about, skill set of a product manager, career path in management, and also how to position yourself as well. So to start with, I started out as a growth marketer. I think that was 2022. So I joined a team. So formerly I was a research assistant. Like I work as a researcher. I carry out both quantitative and qualitative research to actually help companies to make informed decision about the industry they are, about the products they want to launch, or about the market in which they operate in, and all sorts. So, I think in 2022 I joined a company, and when I joined the company, I was fortunate enough to be part of the marketing team. So when I got into the team, the head of the department was actually a growth marketer. So he actually needed someone that could actually be helping him to sort out some digital art stuff and all. So and because I was there, I just felt like, okay, let me just learn this thing. So that was how I got to learn about digital marketing, growth marketing. So and as time goes on, by the time he left, I was the one who actually like took over from him as at then. So that was how I got to into growth marketing, and I got to learn a lot of things: how to run hard, how to create content, how to write script, how to write blog, PR campaigns, ad campaigns, everything that has to do with growth marketing was all I was doing for this particular company I was working with then. So in 2023, actually, I just got bored, I got tired, and I was just like, okay, what more can I actually do? So I got to know about. So on one day I was just on YouTube, I was just searching through, then I just came across Product Hub Africa. I saw their YouTube page. I was just like, okay, what was Product Hub again? So I just checked out the first video that I saw there. They were just talking about tech, roles in tech, and front end, back end, QA, and also I was just like, what was all this now? That I didn't even study that I didn't even study like what's it called now, like computer science and all sorts. So I watched the first video, and to me it was quite interesting because they were just talking about tech, how to build software, how to build mobile apps, how to build websites and all. And the part that got me interested was the fact that it got to a stage they started talking about growth marketing and how it's of importance to in in a tech team, and how tech products cannot like survive on its own without someone to do the marketing for it and all sorts. So yeah, I was just like, wow. So that means even in tech companies, you actually like need a growth marketer, someone to like help you to market your product and all. So after that video, I saw a training online at algorithm. So I put in for the training. After the training, I got more knowledge about growth marketing and how to like drive growth for fintech companies, for e-commerce company. So with this particular knowledge, my interest in product management actually grew to the extent that like I started like reading a lot of materials about product management and all sorts. So after this particular time, I took a few courses online. I also did internship at I think two different organizations. With these, I was actually like able to like get myself with like enough knowledge as far as product management is actually concerned. And this is how I was like able to like transition from being like a growth marketer to being like a product manager. So when it comes to like in every tech team, you always have like three main division, or let me just say like in the life cycle of every product, you always have a situation whereby someone's actually see a problem in the society that an app or a website can actually solve. And the first thing the person will have to do is to carry out research to actually see are people actually in need of this particular app. Then the next stage is just to bring engineers together, like they just brainstorm how can we actually like build this app. Then you have a designer that designed the app just to like give a visual to what the visioneer is actually like envisaged in actually bringing to life. Then at the last stage, you're going to have a marketer who is going to market it to actually to the people or to the end user who are going to make use of it. And then you are going to have like the customer support who are going to be like interacting with people who are having one or two issues making use of this particular product. So this is just the summary of how like a proper tech team works. And in every tech team, you always have like the developers, front end developer, back end developer. You have a designer, a UI UX designer, and sometimes you have a UI designer and also a UI researcher as well. And also you always have a product manager. You also have like a scrum master depending on the capacity of the team. You also have also QA engineers as well. And aside QA engineers, you have product managers and also customer support. You have customer support or customer service people and all sorts. So this is what actually makes up like a tech team. And the product manager is more like the person that actually glue up like the whole tech team together. Like he is more like the assistant CEO or like the product owner, because he is the one that manages the relationship between all everyone on the team. Like he is the one that do the product research, he is the one that do the product roadmap, he is the one that manages the engineers to see that the product is being developed as it's being built. He is the one that is going to write the user story for every of the feature that is going to be built in the product. And also by the time the product is done and is to be launched into the market, he's also going to be the one who is going to come up with the product launch marketing plan to ensure that the users actually are able to like see the good in this particular product. He's going to be the one to responsible for the product what's it called now, user acquisition and all sorts. So this is more like what a product manager does as far as a product life cycle is concerned. Though there is more actually to this, but I won't be going like beyond this particular level for this particular first video. So to go over what I've said again, so it's just like how I was able to like transition from being like a growth marketer to being a product manager. So I got to learn about product management online. Then I had to like watch a lot of videos about product management. I have to like do a lot of trainings. I have to like do internship as well. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about